Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can replace the battery charger for low voltage controllers. So here is our MW charger, and now we will replace this. Let's see how we can replace this charger, because after on it's not showing the power indication and charging indication. Here is our new charger power supply, the latest version. ENC24024 MW 27.6 8 ampere, 7.6 volt, 8 ampere. So let's see how we will change this. Power indication, this output, and here is a selector switch. Also you can charge a lithium battery too. The operation manual, ENC, and some program data and parameter data, of course. This is a temperature sensor in case you have lithium battery. Now we are getting open the old charger. So after removing this, we fix our new charger. And here we go. Before removing the charger or any power supply, we should remove the battery terminals for the safety purpose, so it will not make any spark or short circuit. So our old charger, maybe I will use some old wires from this old charger. So let's see. Here we fix the new charger too. Connection is okay. Make sure connection is okay after fixing. Now flashing mean it's working. Thank you guys for watching our channel and supporting us. Battery charger 30 volt unit for controlling the medium voltage lines controller.